From my point of view, there are mainly 3 points that can assure that we are excellent in selling LPG. These points are relationship with clients, fast integrated process, and business innovation. When we say relationship with clients, we are talking about training and specialized team for each segment, capable of understanding the client's needs and therefore able to offer the best LPG solution. When we talk about fast integrated process, we mean that all our support bases of logistics, installations, and finance follow our commitment to the client and trace procedures to serve the client with the product needed as fast as possible with quality and safety. And to keep our selling excellence is always important to be a step ahead. That's why we also focus in innovation. This innovation allows us to think beyond the client's first needs. We are thinking of solutions to the market itself. In Brazil, Supergasbras has developed the EcoDryer, a machine that can improve the industrial waste disposal, maintaining the discharge into the rigid environmental Brazilian laws, or even turning the processed waste into a new energy fuel. These are the main 3 points that gives us the excellence in selling, and that is what brings us the client's confidence and guarantee a long-term business relationship. And to improve day by day this status, we should always invest in people, as the SAGV philosophy teaches us.